Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is one-way slab and what is two-way slab. First of all, we will discuss about what is one-way slab. As you can see clearly from the picture that we provide two beams opposite to each other in one-way direction. This is also the example of one-way slab, two beams opposite to each other in one-way span length. So in the one-way slab, we will provide main bars on the shorter span and the distribution bar will be provided on the longer span. This is also the criteria for the one-way slab, that the longer span divided by shorter span will be greater than or equal to 2. We take an example that 10 meter on a longer span and 4 meter on a shorter span, which will gives us the 2.5, which is greater than 2. Then it will shows us that it is one-way slab. The crank bars are provided on the shorter spans. The crank, as you can see, the crank bars are on the shorter span, and the slab is supported in two beams opposite to each other. The slab is supported by two beams. The load is carried in one direction perpendicular to supported beam. The load will be perpendicular to the supporting beam. This is the example of two-way slab. As you can see from the picture, concrete two-way slab. In two-way slab, the main bars are provided on both the span, on the shorter span and also on the longer span. This is the criteria for the two-way slab, that the longer span divided by the shorter span will be less than or equal to 2. As you can see, we take an example that 6 by 6 on the longer span and on the shorter span, which will gives us to 1, which is less than 2. So this is called a two-way slab. In two-way slab, the crank bar are provided on all the four sides, so which is supported by four beams. Main bars are provided on both the span as a crank bar.